These are the best Thanksgiving tools for 2018. They will make your big day go smoother than ever. Enjoy! Number 1. Viking 3-ply roasting pan with non-stick rack. The king of roasting pans is suitable for all cooktop types at temps up to 600 degrees. High handles, a non-stick rack, and stainless roaster construction means it won't affect food flavors. Number 2. Lava Tools Javelin Pro Duo Ambidextrous Backlit Instant Read Digital Meat Thermometer. With its large 2-inch display and 2 to 3 second reads, you'll never have to guess again if your turkey is safely cooked through. Also has a magnet built in for convenient storage if needed. Number 3. OXO Good Grips Good Gravy Fat Separator, 4-cup. This ingenious device separates the cooking liquid from the fat on top, making healthier and smoother gravies and sauces. Also, strains and cleans up super easily. Number 4. J.A. Henkel's International Henkel's Poultry Shears. If you prefer to cook a spatchcocked turkey, you'll want to save your fancy knife blades from cutting bones. These shears cut through them like butter and lock close to keep everyone safe. Number 5. Mercer Culinary Renaissance Granton Edge Slicing Knife. High-carbon German knife that will resist rust and corrosion. Not to mention it also holds its edge extremely well over time. This knife makes beautiful presentation slices easier than ever. Number 6. Black & Decker K500B 9-inch Electric Carving Knife. The Black & Decker K500B is the most comfortable and quietest knife tested. It aced all cutting tests and was also non-slip and safe feeling. Can't go wrong at any price, and this is a bargain. Number 7. T-Cos Rectangle Carving Board with Hand Grips. This beautiful edge grain carving board is not only heavy enough to support a 25-pound turkey, but it's also a stylish addition to any kitchen when not in use. Teak is also a high oil wood that fights off moisture very well.